Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Studying is with Seema Saini. I am Seema Saini. I hope you all are good. Today we will discuss question answers of the poem.
Poem The Trees, Class 10th, First Flight Book.
So stay with me till then. Let's start. First of all, textual questions.
Question 1. Find in the first stanza three things that cannot happen in a treeless forest. Answer. There can be no birds, insects, or sun's shadows in a treeless forest. Now, next question, question number 2. What picture do these words create in your mind? Sunbury is feet in shadow. What could the poet mean by the sun's feet? Answer. These words create the picture of a hot burning land in desert. By sun's feet, the poet perhaps means the hot and tired feet of a worker who has to toil all day long. Now, next question, question 3. Where are the trees in the poem? What do their roots and their leaves and their twigs do? This is most important question. Answer. The trees are in the house. Their roots try to disengage themselves from the cracks in the veranda. Their leaves strain towards the glass. Their twigs have become stiff with exertion. Now question number 4. What does the poet compare their branches to? Answer. The poet compares their branches to newly discharged patients from a clinic. Question 5. How does the poet describe the moon at the beginning of the third stanza and at its end? What causes this change? Answer. It is a full moon in the beginning, but in the end, it looks broken like a mirror. It is because the moon has gone behind the crown of the tallest oak. Now, next question, question number 6. What happens to the house when the trees move out of it? Answer. The glass of the window breaks and the winds rush to greet the trees. Question 7. Why do you think the poet does not mention the departure of the forest from the house in her letters? Answer. The poet doesn't mention it because she is in no mood to find fault with anybody. We shouldn't hold others responsible for whatever state we are in. Now, most important questions. Question 1. Give briefly the central idea of the poem The Trees. Or this question can be also like this. Write the theme of the poem The Trees. This is most important question. Answer. It is a deeply symbolical poem. In it, the poet expresses her satisfaction to see that women have begun to move out of the four walls of their house. They have now begun to take part in the world of men and thus made that world more beautiful and musical. Question 2. What is the house in the poem The Trees a symbol of? Answer. The house has been used as a symbol of the family life. The trees in the house are a symbol of women who have been confined to the house only. The treeless forest away from the house is a symbol of the world of men where there have been no women so far. Now, next question, question number 3. I scarcely mention the departure of the forest from the house. What is the house here a symbol of? This is important question. Answer. Here the house has been used as a symbol of the human society in which men and women should both live together. Now question 4. What does the poet say about the treeless forest? Answer. The poet says that in the treeless forest there are no birds or insects. It is just a desert. There are no soothing shadows. By treeless forest, the poet means a world where there are only men and no women. In such a world, she finds no charm, beauty, or music. Now, next question number 5. How does the poet describe the state of trees in the house? This is important question. Answer: the trees are restless to move out. Their leaves strain towards the window glass. The twigs have become stiff because of exertion. The walls have become cramped due to their long confinement. They are shuffling restlessly under the roof. Thus, the poet symbolically describes the state of women who have been confined to the house only.
That's all for today. For more videos, please like, share, comment, and subscribe the channel. Keep watching. Till then, bye. Take care.